Street919fm.com. Here's what's happening.
Good afternoon. I am Vanessa Thomas with the 4 o'clock news on the Street 919 FM and online Facebook and YouTube. In the headlines, a third Delta case detected in TNT. Policeman dies in Cedras accident. 14 arrested for beach and river lime, and internationally Sri Lanka replaces health minister as COVID outbreak worsens. And now the news in detail. The Ministry of Health has confirmed a third case of the COVID-19 Delta variant in Trinidad and Tobago. In a release Sunday, the ministry announced that the third case was detected in a recently returned national who traveled to Trinidad from Turks and Caicos, transiting through Florida. The person had initially submitted a negative PCR test, which is required to be taken 72 hours before arrival. The release said the person is unvaccinated and is in a state of supervised quarantine. Last week, the ministry announced it had detected 2 cases of the Delta variant in returning nationals, one returning from the United States and the other returning from Mexico through Guyana. A 24-year-old policeman died in an accident in Cedras on Sunday night. PC Damian Billy died at the Point Fortin Hospital around 11 p.m. A police report said at about 8:50 p.m., Billy was driving his white pickup truck on the southern main road in Cedras. The road was wet, and near Limefield Road, the truck skidded and crashed into a ditch. Passerby called the police and ambulance personnel. The officer was taken to the hospital where he died. And police from the Eastern Division are reminding the public that beaches and rivers are still closed to the public after 14 people were arrested at a beach and river line on Sunday. Police said members of the Mayaro Task Force and the Manzanilla Police made several checks in Mayaro between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m., where they found 9 people liming on the beach. The group, which consisted of 5 men and 4 women, were from Mayaro, El Dorado, and Canupia. In an unrelated incident later that day, police also found and arrested 5 men liming at the Metan River in Mayaro. Meanwhile, a total of 23 men and 28 women were arrested at a party at a house in Real Spring, Balsain for breach of the public health regulations and a gathering in excess of 5 people. In a statement, the police said the arrests happened during an exercise which was conducted between 10 p.m. on Saturday and 2:30 a.m. on Sunday. The group at the party included 27 women and 8 Venezuelan men. The owner of the home allegedly fled the scene. Internationally, Sri Lanka's president has demoted his health minister, who publicly endorsed sorcery and magic potions to battle COVID-19 as infections and deaths hit record highs. The health minister was in intensive care in January after contracting the virus, despite and publicly consuming and endorsing a magic potion against COVID-19, which was claimed to be made by a sorcerer. The female health minister also poured a pot of blessed water into a river in November after a self-styled godman told her it would end the pandemic on the island nation of 21 million people. Despite the demotion, she will remain in the cabinet as the transport minister. The number of daily virus deaths in Sri Lanka crossed 150 in the past week, while daily infections crossed 3,000. The Sri Lanka government has so far rejected calls for a lockdown to contain the surge. And that was the 4 o'clock news on the Street 919 FM and online Facebook and YouTube, recapping the headlines. Third Delta case detected in TNT. Policeman dies in Cedras accident. 14 arrested for beach and river lime, and internationally Sri Lanka replaces health minister as COVID outbreak worsens. Stay tuned to the Street 919 FM. I am Vanessa Thomas. Good afternoon.
moment you first crossed eyes.
It's a girl.
To their very first bowl of cereal. Open wide. Going into parenthood means nourishing your little one to reach their fullest potential. With Nestum Nature's Selections infant cereals, give 30% more whole grain with 15 vitamins and minerals, including iron, all with no added sugar. Nature's Selection. Give your baby the best. Nestum, from 6 months onwards.
Tune into the street 91.9 FM
Every Sunday from 10:05 a.m. to 11 a.m.
for the Repairing of the Breach radio program with me, Bishop Showinau Thomas.
The scripture says, "And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places."
Thou shalt raise up the foundation of many generations, and thou shalt be called the repairers of the breach, the restorers of the paths to dwell in.
Don't miss it. Repairing the Breach radio program with Bishop Sherwin R. Thomas on the Street 919 FM every Sunday from 10:05.